In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your email messages in HTML format in Microsoft Outlook. Understanding how to view your emails in their raw HTML format can be crucial for a variety of reasons, whether you're troubleshooting an email issue, ensuring that embedded links are safe, or you're just curious about how your email messages are constructed behind the scenes. Let's dive in and learn how you can do this in just a few quick steps. First things first, you'll want to open up Microsoft Outlook. If you're using a web browser, navigate to the Microsoft Outlook website. If you're like most users, your first action will be to head over to that familiar address bar and type in the website to get started. Once you arrive at Outlook's main page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a sign in option there. Go ahead and click it. Now it's time to enter your credentials. You should sign in with your email address and password just as you normally would. Be sure to take a moment to double check your entries for typos, as an occasional mistaken keystroke can derail even the most experienced tech users from their tasks. Once you're signed in, you'll be inside your inbox. Here, you'll want to open one of your email messages, choose any email you'd like to examine, click on the message to open it fully. Now here's where it gets interesting. Within the open email, you should notice three small dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, somewhere in the interface. Click these dots and they'll reveal a drop-down menu with additional options you might not have noticed before. This menu is your gateway to further controls within Outlook. Hover over the option labelled View. A sub-menu should pop out next to it, offering you a few different choices. Among them you will find View Message Source. This is the option you'll want to select. Clicking on View Message Source will open a new window or tab that displays the raw HTML code of your email message. This view contains all the underlying structures and coding elements that combine to create the email as you see it in its finished form. This step is especially useful for those interested in the technical side of email communication. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through Outlook to view an email in HTML format. This process can seem a bit technical at first if you're unfamiliar with these settings, but with practice it becomes second nature. By understanding these steps, you empower yourself with the ability to analyze your emails more deeply, ensuring they're secure and functioning as expected. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.